So software engineering, re-engineering, because many of the software products, they need a lot of maintenance. They are aging software. You are starting from code, you are going to design, you are going to requirement specification. Now you are adding the new requirements or the change request, and then you are going again forward from requirement specification till the testing process. That is called the forward engineering. So reverse engineering plus the forward engineering is called as the software re-engineering. So during this reverse engineering, the old code is analyzed. That is to every level of abstraction, because we need to find out or extract the module specifications. Now, when you know the module, how is the cohesion coupling, how is the module being formed, what is the patterns you have used, and what are the architecture, the module specification are analyzed in order to produce the design. And then the design is analyzed. That what requirement, what use cases has finally devised this design, has created this design. And then you come to the original requirement specification. So once you have the original requirement specification, which has come from design, which has come from the old code, now you add this with the change request. Now the change request or change proposals are then combined with the requirement specification. Now you arrive at the new requirement specification. Once you are having the requirement specification, it is just like creating a new software. So now you do the forward engineering to produce a new code. And during this, during the design modification, module specification coding, there is a substantial reuse, because there are reverse engineered products we can use. Process models for software re-engineering, because whenever you have a big project and big proposals to change, you start with the reverse engineering. You already have a code with you, and there can be document to support, to help you, or there may not be. So you start with the code, go to the design, and then you create the requirement specification. This is called the reverse engineering. Now you are with the requirement specification, you add it or combine it with the change requirements. Now you are having a new requirement specification. So this new requirement specification, old plus change, becomes new requirement specification. Now you can go ahead with the forward engineering to design and code.